Okay. We're gonna do a special event daily challenge. We got the NR4 WRX STI. Yeah, let's do this. Fix this up real quick. Perth and Kinross, around Scotland, Annbank Station. Oh shit, it's raining. We got 4.83 miles, 800 feet elevation change, sunset, heavy rain, wet surface, gravel. This is not sequential.
Starts 40,
section.
3 right, opens 6, very long, tightens. Good luck. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. 40, 3 right, opens 6, very long, tightens 50, 5 right, slowing 40, turn square left, don't cut, opens and tightens 2 left, 110, uphill, flat right, 100, flat right to the small crest, past junction, 70, keep middle of a bump jump, 70, flat left, into 6 right, extra long, 100, keep left of a small crest, 80, 6 left of a jump, keep in, slowing 100, keep middle of a crest, 30, short 3 right, to keep left into 3 right, long don't cut, to open hairpin right. 3 left, keep right of a small bump, 50, keep left of a crest, 50, 4 right, keep left of a 60, flat right, into flat left of a jump, 60 of a long crest, 90, 6 right of a crest, 60, caution, 5 left of a crest long, tightens of a crest, 80, 6 left of a small crest, 50, 6 left of a bump, 60, 6 right long of a crest, stay middle of 130, 6 left, extra long, tightens, 70, right and tightens, don't cut of a dip, and 6 left, extra long, tightens, 4, slowing, keep right of a 60, 4 left, tightens, to turn 3 right, don't cut, 60, keep left of a small crest and dip, 3 right, tightens of a crest, 50, 5 right of a crest, 70, 3 left of a crest, past lay-by, opens 50, 6 right long, and 6 left long, to keep middle of a jump, 80, 6 left onto crest, and 3 right long, tightens, into sudden, 2 left long, tightens, 1, very long, tightens, and 6 right, 60, 4 left long, tightens, into caution, and right, extra long, open 6, extra long, 30, left of a crest, 60, 6 right, into 3 left long, keep in, and 4 left long, tightens, into 3 right long, tightens 2, keep in, into 3 left, opens 100, keep left of a jump, and 6 right, 50, 34 left of a crest long, 70, flat right, into 6 left long of a crest, 50, keep in the jump, 70, 6 right, extra long of a crest, keep in, 130 past logs, caution, 4 left, tightens of a crest, slow in 70, 3 left, tightens of a crest, just sudden, 2 right long, don't cut. And 4 left long, tighten short 3,
Jesus. Alright.
Four left, opens and tightens past junction. 4 right tightens, into 3 left, keep in of a crest. 50, caution, 4 right tightens, up and 2 left long, don't cut, tightens 1. 60, right, 70.
Okay.
Jump into flat left, opens, keep left over 70, caution, 6 right, don't cut of a small crest, slow 60, 3 left, extra long tightens. 3 left, extra long, tightens. And 5 right, very long on a crest, tightens. 60. 5 left long, tightens. And 5 right. 30. Keep left of a crest, sudden 3 right. 60. Flat left, flat right past logs. 170. Slowing 4 left long of a crest. To short 3 right. 30, 3 left, don't cut, rocks inside, 100, the engine light is on, take it easy, 5 left of a crest long, 80,
Fine.
3 left of a crest, 70, 3 right, extra long, 90, middle of a jump, finish, 100, just like.
Are they expecting us? Marshall. Yeah. That sucks. Alright, 2:48 finish time, 6:16, 8:68. Difference of like 2 minute 19. Jeez.